What's going on, guys? This is a second channel for us on Failed Entrepreneur. Since last video, I've added some new players into the game. Got Survey Pop, Zap Surveys, Eureka, and Survey Spin. I just wanted to add some more survey sites into the regimen. So what we have, I did this on the 10th. I'm recording it on the 12th. I just did like a few minutes of this while I was watching some sports. And as you can see, I spent about another hour, an hour on this to see what we could make from these new survey apps on iOS. Now, Survey Pop, Survey Spin, and Eureka are all basically the same app, or they're from the same creator on the App Store, but it seems like there's three separate apps, so it's just like duplicate rewards. So these apps have daily logins, they have video ads, they have location bonuses, and they have surveys, as well as some other offers like playing games or downloading apps or opening certain sites from the app. So you can download all three and get daily video ads to watch in the background or daily login bonuses. And the daily login bonuses is a daily poll that you answer and you get a cent. So I've added, since this is what I'm going to do in the past video, for example, for mturk, we did the data extraction and the survey separate. Since for mturk, these two different opportunities are very big on the site, but for survey pop, survey spin, and eureka, it's still like 90% surveys and only like 2% of daily login, video ads, app downloads, playing games, stuff like that, location bonuses. So I'm still going to put this whole thing as surveys because like 95%, 90% of what this app is a survey app. So I've just put everything in here, including the daily logins, the location bonuses, stuff like that, as surveys, just because it would get too tedious to put 3 seconds for a daily login and 2 seconds for a location bonus when I can just add up all the time that I spend on the app and just put it as surveys. It just makes it easier. And that's what the app is. It's a survey app. So all three of these in total, we made about an average of $3.21 with these survey apps. Still poop, but hopefully eventually we can find some good side hustle apps out there. And in total, we made $1.76 in 21 minutes. So still below minimum wage. But like I said, this is not a job, it's something you do on the side to make extra money. And then these other survey apps also on the App Store, Taluna and Zap Surveys, they both also have daily logins and additional like quick surveys that take like a minute to do. So that's why I like them. And I only spent about 11 minutes and 25 minutes on both of these, and we made about 98 cents for an average of about $4 per hour, with Zap Surveys so far being a pretty good one at $3.12. Um, and I also put what survey I used to get the money. So this one was InBrain AI. This one didn't show what survey it was, so I just left it blank. Um, but yeah, so here is the current rankings. I resorted them. Since last video, we only had Survey Junkie and mturk in there. So we have some new players in the game. I like to sort it by money per hour. So right now we have the top earner as Survey Pop. Because of that, there was one survey I did with Survey Pop that gave me a ton more money than Eureka and Survey Spin. Let me know down in the comments below, and also I'm considering it as well. I think I might just have Survey Pop, Eureka, and Survey Spin counted as one singular app or opportunity because they're basically duplicates. It's the same app with different colors, in all honesty. And a lot of the rewards overlap. It's the same poll, it's the same everything, same location bonus that you get when you're near a store. So considering adding all those together, and if I did, let's just see, it would be about, this is just a rough estimate. It's not going to be exact because of the different time I spent on each, but about $3 in terms of money per hour. Um, but yeah, so far the leading candidates, we really only have surveys and this data extraction freelance, which is basically almost a survey. Um, so if you want to do surveys right now, out of all 7 of these, Survey Pop and Zap surveys are the best on Apple. But as I go into the future, I'm going to be adding more methods of side hustles. I am considering doing crypto mining. I bought a bunch of phones and miners, and I'm going to try to, in the future, look at crypto mining as a potential side hustle. But for right now, this is what we have. Um, and if I do sort this, I don't know if I want to sort it on how much money I make or how much money per hour I make. And I'm thinking money per hour is more important um, to see what is the best value for money. But yeah, that's all I have for today. Um, Please leave a like if this was somewhat helpful and I guess figuring out how to make more money as a side hustle. But yeah, thanks guys for tuning in.